Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforex.magicweb.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. Pound USD, the week started on the 14th October. This is the first trade, Pound USD 7-minute chart. Here's the entry. SL moved to break even and it's down. It was because early in the week there was a weakness in pound. Later it changed direction. So we're gonna see some pound short here. So pound USD, the second trade is pound yen from 20-minute chart. This is the entry, short setup by the book and 100 pip to the downside on the 14th October. Here's the third one, pound NZD 7-minute. Here's the entry, short entry all the way down here, 90 pip on 14th October. And also pound, now the tide changed the next day. Pound start getting strong, and on the 15th October now you see pound NZD going to the upside and 160 pip on the 20-minute chart. You can see on 15, big mover. This pair is a monster. Now pound USD also turned to the upside, all pound pair, because pound start getting strong. There's some good news from Brexit that it is going to happen, was coming out, and pound start getting the benefit. And on the 15th October again, pound USD from 20-minute chart, 120 pip to the upside. Now some of those the pound games end there, and yen games started, and I'll show you the reason at the end of the video after these charts. Well, in fact the charts are coming. So here the first yen pair, Aussie yen from 20-minute up there, right, long. Look at the second yen pair, NZD yen long on the 17th. Third, CAD yen long on the 17th. And fourth pair, euro yen 20-minute long on 17th. Why? Because yen was getting weaker, and I'll show you the chart in a minute. There was a couple other trades, euro USD, because of the USD weakness, and then I'll show you that chart as well. USD pair like pound USD, euro USD, pound USD, Aussie USD, and New Zealand USD, they went up, and USD CAD, USD yen, and USD franc went down. So this is one of the USD pair. Euro USD went up, and the other one was Aussie USD. It also went up on the 17th, and the third USD pair was USD CAD, coming down all the way from the top. Right, and there was another one, USD yen, kind of missed the chart. I don't know where I saved it. Now let me show you why. What is the reason? First, the pound. This is the index, pound index chart. I made it on the 4th, that when we were at 52.60, saying that if we drop below, if we stay below 53.29 and go below 52.60, this is where we're gonna go to the downside, 40.93. If we stay above 52, we go to the upside from 52, stay above 52.60 and go above 53.29. We're gonna be going into this area, and the next level was this, the intersection of this white line, which is 63.16, and the TL. Guess what happened to this chart? It went up and hit this TL here after getting strong right there, and we closed on Friday just like that, right? So all yen pair went, pound pair got strong, went up because of this move. Similarly, a yen index chart, I made this on the 7th October, saying that this is one of the harmonic pattern kind of thingy, as Gertley calculation is 61%, then 23%, and then it goes back to 78% usually, right? So what happened to this chart is this. Straight from here, it went up there. Now this chart, this is yen index 20-minute chart, and this is the opposite of all the other indexes. When this index is going to the upside, yen is getting weaker, and all yen pair will go to the upside, and that's the reason I had 4 or 5 of those yen index, yen pairs trades at the end of the week on the 17th, on Thursday. Okay, so this is how it is, and let me show you also that USD weakness, when I said that it came, and then euro USD went up, and euro Aussie trade I had, and euro USD CAD short I had, because of the fact that this chart I made, that on the October 4th, that we're going to be dropping from here to this area, right? And USD gonna get weaker. And so far so good. This chart is right here. Okay, so this weekly drop here, nice big drop, this is causing USD weakness. And like I said, that all those 4 USD pair will go up and 3 pair will go down, and that's what happened. I had Euro-Aussie and Aussie USD and Euro-USD, right? These 2 pairs where the USD on the right hand side, USD gets weaker, these pair goes up. And USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc. When USD getting weaker, this pair goes down. So I had USD CAD, the short side, because of this USD drama going on here. So this is the chart, and this is the current trade. I mean, current chart. On it still says 4 here. I gotta change this date here, and it is Friday, end of the week. It's on the 18th. I'm gonna save this chart as of today, later on, of course, after finishing the webinar. So this is how it is, all the trades, and you see the reason is all calculated and pre-planned. I was expecting a weakness in pound. It came, and pound pair trades in front of you. Yen index chart supposed to go up, and yen supposed to get weaker, sending all yen pair to the upside. I had long 4 yen pairs. Similarly, I had 3 USD pair based on this USD index chart that is gonna drop here, and USD is gonna get weaker, and USD will move, and USD pair with you have 7 USD pairs, 4 will go up and 3 will go down. So that's what happens, right? So like I said, if you like what you saw, go on my website if you want to be a part of it, if you want to learn all this mumbo jumbo and all these trades I've been taking. So if you want to get a hold of the system, so go on my website, subscribe, and get the system. You have a weekend here now, Saturday and Sunday. You can get the charts and get going. Very good time to set up your charts like this one. We don't trade normal time frame. These are the special indicator. I provide you the special indicator, everything, all the indicators, and the EA, the alarm EA, right? As well as I will get on the Skype and teach you how to do it. If you don't understand and if you make any mistake, I will cover that. So like I said, go on my website, don't waste time. And but if like I said, if you are doing something good, and if you are profitable, keep doing what you are doing. You have nothing to worry about, and you don't have to do anything. But if you are struggling, and if you want to become a profitable trader and you don't have any system, then give it a shot. And I would not even say that try this and that. Just do it. It works. It worked for so many people, and it will work for you. But the matter is, the fact is that you must learn and put a little effort into it. Okay, so this is it for now, and I hope that you have a very, very wonderful weekend. Enjoy your weekend, and talk to you guys later.